So you can live in Toronto for roughly the same price and enjoy your life there. Maybe you work there, all your friends, family are there. You want to really take advantage of that, but then you can drive down here whenever you need to get to your property. And, you know, it just makes sense. So if you're a younger investor from the greater Toronto area, you have some options. You don't have to buy $1 million property and pay condo fees and be negative on cash flow in this high interest rate environment just so you can invest, right? So I'm going to tell you about what I did. As someone similar to you in your position, I was in my mid-20s. I was looking at places to invest. I wanted to really get into the real estate market because I wanted to go big with it, like really snowball, really get hands-on and go full-time, right? So for me, I was looking around. GTA numbers just did not make sense. They still don't today, especially with high interest rates. Hamilton was close enough where A, it's more affordable. The numbers make sense. The rents are similar, but the prices in many cases are like 40% cheaper, right? 50% cheaper to buy like a duplex here versus Toronto or even Mississauga. The other thing is I would be able to drive here and actually monitor progress, understand the concepts of investing, understand the process. So next time as I'm growing, I just get better and better at doing this. I get better at understanding how to work with contractors, you know, how to find good deals, how to assess properties. So you can still do that without being too far away, and you can still live wherever you want to live. Because here's the thing, remember what I said, the rents aren't that different. So that works in your favor as a renter, but it works against you as an investor if you're in a very popular city. So you can live in Toronto and maybe pay like $200 less rent in Hamilton, or maybe it could be a little more depending on where you are. But, you know, as an investor, you're paying like 40-50% less. So you can live in Toronto for roughly the same price and enjoy your life there. Maybe you work there, all your friends, family are there. You want to really take advantage of that, but then you can drive down here whenever you need to get to your property. And, you know, it just makes sense. It's just a really good mix. That's what I looked at. And then eventually I just ended up moving down here anyways, because I had a lot of other things going on that I really wanted to get involved in, right? But it's as simple as that. Here's the one thing I will tell you that you need to probably do more than anything, right? Just do what I did, which is I understood the basic concept, like, okay, these are the numbers, this is the area, this is how much money I have. Let me talk to some professionals and then go. And that's what you need to do, because the longer you delay that, the worse it's going to get for you, because you're going to get what we call analysis paralysis. So you're going to start looking at like spreadsheets, you're going to look at like 20 different markets, when the reality is you got to keep it simple, be easy on yourself, right? Is the market solid? Do they have a lot going on? I have free resources. You can see kind of what's happening in the Hamilton market. You know, I have a free investor guide. You can see it if you click the link below, and it'll tell you what's going on in the city. So you can see what's happening here, just assess it, get a good idea of the market. If it has good fundamentals, meaning there's a reason for people to live here and people work here and there's a significant enough population here, and location wise, I know it sounds like stupidly simple, but it's within an hour of Toronto, which does really matter with the amount of immigration we have happening. So look at all those things and then just connect with the right professionals, and then you just go. That's what I did. So definitely reach out to me. All right, my name is Donna Shabasi. I'm an agent here in Hamilton, originally from the GTA, and I came here as an investor, and I'm doing the same thing that a lot of people want to do, but sometimes people overcomplicate it. And what I learned from people smarter than me is you don't need to do that. You just need to take action. It's as simple as that.